One of the other things we see is a lot of disputes with the intellectual property. There's often, again, it sort of comes down to their NIL, right? Their name, their image, their likeness, if it's being misappropriated. And that usually comes down to an intellectual property fight. And so we make sure that we have the proper people in place to help us and assist us with those fights. Oftentimes it's tort related, right? So what the heck is a tort, Shannon? That's legalese. That no one knows what that is. Well, what happens if our athlete gets into a dispute with a party with respect to on their property? What if someone comes over to our athlete's huge home, is engaging at a nice family outing, nice barbecue in the backyard, trips and falls and hurts him or herself? So now we've got an issue with that. So we want to be able to protect our athlete and or our client with that. What if the athlete gets into an auto accident? How do we handle that? So there's all sorts of things that occur that usually gets wrapped around the word sports law, but sports law just encapsulates all the other practices of law. The person just happens to be their primary source may be sports.